Oh, it's so beautiful, right? It's romantic, but it's the middle of the night. Time to go to bed. 睡觉。Well, it's time to walk dog. Wow! Oh, the sky is burning. Look at the rising sun. What happened? What happened? What happened?
真正的大师永远都怀着一颗学徒的心。
正在准备一些去湾区的干粮。What's this? So, what are these? 这是什么呢 ？They are called 汤糕 candy pancakes. And as you know, as you can see now, the weather is not good. It's going to rain. So take a short break. This is a great shadow, and these are my pets. So her name is. So what's your name? Her name is Michael. Jenny. She's a girl. And what's your name? So what's your name? Huh? So his name is Michael. He's a boy. So good on you. And today. We take a break, take a rest here. Get ready for no man's land. Just do it. I hope it's going to be a good weather. Wow, 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 wow. Can you believe it? I really can't believe it, my friend. It's the middle of the night in Tibet. It's just snowing here. Look at it. What else can I say? What else can I say? Oh my God. Oh, it's so beautiful, right? It's romantic, but it's the middle of the night. To go to bed. 睡觉。Have a good night. Have a good dream, my friend. So sleep well. So goodbye. See you tomorrow morning. See you morning. Bye bye. Good morning, my friend. Wow! Snow Mountain. Right. How is everything going? Jenny! Michael! I'm going to buy some vegetables for cooking dinner. 谢谢，谢谢。
为什么？这里。
好。 Let's get us started early. The time is almost 6 o'clock. So sweet tea. Forget breakfast. Take care of yourself. This is for doggy. Okay, it's for you, huh? Michael! Jenny, what are you doing? So come over. Come over, Jenny. Jenny! Jenny! So they're very nutritious, right? Okay. Ready to mix them together. I got another one for you, okay? Stop! Be quiet. So this is for you.
It's a Friday night and we're out to be free, yeah. We've been stranded in a dream, lost in memory a while. And I don't really know what we want to be, yeah. We've been racing through the week to dance here in the sea of lights. Oh, but the night is young and it's just us two, and time is ours to be wild and blue. We don't yet know, but we think we do. I've been dreaming of LA with you, but I know when the lights hit, you'll be on my mind. I look in your eyes and you look back in mine. You know all my vices somewhere deep inside. Oh, we all got our vices.
Top 88 was escorted out pending on an investigation involving sensitive information on March 21st.
I've been on the road and without you a day now. At night it's all we get, summer sunset, and then and we could spend a
Just do it. It's time to get started.
then it's like we never left and we get back in bed again. Oh, but the nights are long when I'm not with you, and time is running away in June. We could just dance in this night in bloom, but I know that you
They
feel
always need
it
their
too.
please their customers.
'Cause I know
Just
when
do
the
it.
lights hit, I'll be on your mind. I look in your eyes and you look back in mine. You know all my vices somewhere deep inside. Oh, we all got our vices, you and I.
这水从那山上下来的。Everything is done. It's time to take lunch. So actually, the time is in the afternoon. It's about It's more than 3 o'clock p.m. It's more than 3 p.m. So this is something for eating. Okay, so not bad. So meat, Chinese cabbage, garlic, and porridge together. Okay, we three are very hungry. Jenny! Jenny, are you hungry?